Uh, good evening, all. I was asked by one of the students earlier. Say, help me repeat this question again about AMC 2023 Q25. Just go through this process. He said he didn't follow my previous explanation earlier, so just like to do it one more time. So, all right, let's begin from here. So to see what's going on. Let's see the question first. 15 integers A1, A2, A3, A15. So here have the 15 numbers, right? Or whole number, right? They are arranged in order of numbers or lines. So just like say this is keep increasing or keep decreasing. Okay. So based on so we just don't know yet, right? So I arrange in order of line numbers. So let's just increasing and decreasing. I don't know. So based on here, the integers are equally spaced. So equally spaced. So something like say A1, A2, A3, A4 until A14, A50. So just like if you use the A2 minus A1, they have distance is constant, right? So this one is constant, and constant is always, we suppose there are difference between the two numbers is between every neighbor numbers is D. So this one we can describe here is let's say A1 is the initial number and D is the difference between them. So based on arithmetic series, we can describe say A2 equal A1 plus D, right? A3 equal A1 plus 2D, right? 3 minus 1, 2D. And A4 equals A1 plus 3D. And going down, A14 will be A1 plus 13D, right? In A15, you got A1 plus 14D. That's it. So just like each difference between the neighbor will be D. So this is the initial. This is the difference between the neighbor two numbers. And this is the expression. So actually, this one just use our previous kinds of learning about series. So AN can be described A1 plus N minus 1 the kinds of description right here, right? So far. So far, we also get here. And have the properties that in between. So you can see the number, first number is A1 to 10. Third. Okay, so they provide three conditions here. So three conditions like here first, A is between 1 to 10, A2 is in between 13 to 20, and last one, A15 in between 241 to 50. So we don't know the A1, we don't know the D, so we need to figure out this one first. Let's do first step. So first step, we need to figure out A to see how we figure out these two. All right, so let's use the first information. So A1 is between 10 and 1, greater equal than 1, less than 10. So A2 we will write here. We use this method here, A2 is A1 plus B, right? Less than 20, greater than 13. So we try to get rid of A1. Use these two information equation. Do you know how to combine this to get a D? So we make this, do some small change here, right? So this both part my time -1 will become A. So alligator mouth will be changed here, right? Both the three sided change time -1. So we'll change alligator. We can rewrite this one. We'll rewrite this one into what? Into -1 less than -1 greater equal than -10. So we can do the second kinds of property. This is kinds of equation, middle plus middle, left plus left, right plus right. That still makes sense, right? So let's do these two combination. Left plus left will equal. So, the 3, the middle part is only left D, right? And the right part equal 19. So you can find out D is in between 7 and 19. And A is because there. So we can do some proper change here. We can do the same here. We can do C here. So use this information. We try to use these three conditioning. So we We write A15. A15 is A1 plus 14D, right? Less than 250. And also less than, greater equal than 241. So we copy this one right here, negative A1, less than negative 1, greater than negative 10. So these two combine together. What we got? 14D less than 249 and greater than 231, 231, right? 231. So we use the third information. For three sides, divide this, divide what? Divide positive number 14, just make this one became what? Just divide 14, so this cancel coefficient became 1, right? Or divide 14. So 14 is positive number. So this alligator mouth don't changing. So we do some small math here. So 231 divided 14, 114 equal 91. So we can use 6. 6, you got 6, 4, 24, 84. 84. So left is 7, right? So here 6, 7 over 14 greater equal than D. I mean, it's less than equal than D. And less than equal and 249 divide 14. So we can got is what? 114. So 109. We got 7. 7 got 98, right? So left 11. So 17, 11 top here. So D is in between what? So in between 16 half and 17, not 18. So D can be, looks like D have to be, D have to be whole number, right? So it cannot be 16, it cannot be 18, they'll have 17. So D equals 17. So what's this side? So you can see here, D became 17. We was decided, we move back here. 14 times 17 actually got what? Equal, so 7, so we can go put it back here, put 17 back here. We can find the A1 limitation here, right? So 14 times 14, so you can got 68, 238. So here is, you can 238, right? So 14D is 238. So A1, so based on here, both the three side minus 238. So you got A1. So let me just move on here. So middle part, can A1 less than 238, here can 12 greater equal than 3. So you can see here, we give there more limitation compared here, right? So A1 looks like in between less than 10, greater than 3. All right, so you can got it here. So you can find out here, okay? So, okay, so you find out these. So let's put back here. So we know A1 is here. Right now with A1 plus D is A2, right? D is 17, became A2. A2 became less than 20. Less than, greater equal than 13. So both sides divided minus 17. So A1 less than 3, greater equal to 4. Continue give their limitations. So A1 should be less and greater equal than 3. Here, A1 should be greater equal than 3. Here, less than equal than 3. So A1 have to be 3. Make sense? Make sense? So you can see, find D have to be 17. And A1 should be 3. So we can got what all the information now. So we can see, what's the question? What's the sum of the digit A14? So A14 actually is A1 plus 13 times D. So here we replaced 3 plus 13 times 17. Okay. So 13 times 17. Let's do some small work here. And 51, 17, 221, right? So 221 plus 3, 224. So A14 is 224. So what's the question? What's the sum of the digits of A14? So here is 2 plus 2 plus 4 equal 8. The final answer is 8. Oh, yeah, this is the part about inequality, the property of inequality as well. And theories. So looks like big combination, right? Please use these kinds of methods. You best to just like using this method to go through all your kinds of process again and make yourself familiar and try to make your whole process understanding process, but just try to redo it one more time by yourself. Sounds good. All right, that's all for today. Thank you.